Okay, tip number 3. Don't accept or don't pick up ride requests from people that are not paying for the ride, meaning somebody else is paying for the ride for them. I'm not going to get into detail why. Just trust me. You'll thank me later. And if you ignore me, you'll learn why you don't want to take trips from people that aren't paying for the ride. Okay, little tease. Number 1, you're never going to get a tip. Number 2, you typically have no idea who the hell is getting in your car. Even if they do the right thing and they create a new account for that rider, that doesn't give you any information. There'll be no picture on it, whatever on that. But there'll be no ratings. It'll just say new person. So whether they create a profile or not, it still doesn't give you any information. But trust me, and I've had a few that were absolutely fine, but I've also had most of my dooziest of rides, if you will. Don't think that's a word, but it is today. Most of my dooziest of rides have been when somebody with an awesome rating requested the ride. I show up, they're not the ones getting in the car. It could be 2 homeless people that have not showered in a while and need to get to the Greyhound bus station 40 damn miles away. Yeah, could be that. Just an example.
Don't miss future tips. Like, subscribe, follow. Do it now.